Very much. Now, Mrs. Evans, 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Thank you, President. Colleagues, diolch yn fawr. In Wales, this is a time of intense political debate because prior to the EU referendum in June, we have elections in May for a new Welsh Government and Assembly. And we are talking about how to build a strong and a sustainable economy and thriving communities. And for me, the messages go hand in hand. My party, Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales, believes that Wales's natural home is in Europe, and we will be campaigning to ensure that our successful relationship and partnership flourishes in future. Wales benefits from EU membership, economically, socially and culturally. We want a stronger voice for Wales in Europe, and we'll continue to work for that. But this referendum is about the bigger picture. It's about the kind of nation we want Wales to be, and for the kind of Europe that we want for the future, where we in Wales, like other countries, can contribute to building a fairer and a better society. So our message is a positive one. We believe it's in the interests of all our people, our rural and our urban areas, our workers and companies, and most of all for our young people, for us to remain in the European Union. Because we have to remember that this is a choice we are making, not just for ourselves, but for future generations as well.
Now, Mr. De Graaf, 1 minute.
Voorzitter, opiniepeilingen laten zien dat een meerderheid van de Britse bevolking wil dat het Verenigd Koninkrijk uit de Europese Unie stapt. De Europese Unie laat zien dat ze niet opheeft met de wil van het Britse volk en de democratie. Alles is in het werk